What is it before? Is it my uncle or I?
I play keyboard.
I play keyboard. Now you gotta change the subject into my uncle. Coba sekarang pakainya my uncle. My uncle plays.
Uncle plays keyboard.
Yes, good job. My uncle plays the keyboard. Next, what about this? Do you still remember what sentence that you made?
Mm, My last call. My last call. Uh, mm,
My race car is
my last call is.
the color, the color.
Last call is green color.
Okay, my race car is green color. This one, you remember?
Mm, I get the basketball.
I got the basketball. Good. What about this?
I see Seahawks.
I see the seahorse, or you can say I catch the
Oh,
seahorse. What is seahorse? Apa tadi seahorse?
the loud.
Kuda laut. Okay, what about this?
I see a firefighter.
I see the firefighter. Okay, the last one.
Mm, I see a cowboy.
I see a cowboy. Good job. Okay, it's done for today, Mika. Do you have any questions sebelum
No,
ditutup? No, it's clear enough?
yes,
Udah clear ya? Oke deh. Bye-bye, Mika. See you next week.
bye.
Bye.